All right, so to solve this simple question, we are asked to find dy dx at x equal to 1 if y is equal to the square root of 2x minus 1. So this is a very simple question. Solution. We are given that y is equal to the square root of 2x minus 1. Now, which is the same thing as saying 2x minus 1 raised to power 1 over 2. According to indices, the square root of x is the same thing as x raised to power 1 over 2. So that is why we are putting the 1 over 2. So now to solve this, I'm going to use both shortcut and the normal method. So for normal method, I'm having that, I'll say that let u be equal to the 1 in the bracket, which is 2x minus 1. Therefore, y will now be what? U raised to power half. Okay? So these two will give me du dx. So du dx is to differentiate this, which is just 2. Differentiation of 2x is 2. Differentiation of minus 1 is gone. So these two will give me dy du. Dy du is simply multiply by the power, remove 1 from the power. That is 1 over 2 u raised to power 1 over 2 minus 1. So which will give you what? 1 over 2 u raised to power minus 1 over 2. To bring the minus will bring this down according to indices. X raised to power minus 3 is that as saying 1 over x raised to power 3. So the minus in the power, we can bring it down. So this is set as saying 1 all over 2 u raised to power 1 over 2, which is set as saying 1 all over 2 the square root of u. Okay? So which is set as saying 1 all over 2 the square root of, what is my u? My u is 2x minus 1. So now, my answer becomes dy dx is equal to du dx multiplied by dy du. So which is equal to what? Du dx is giving me 2 multiplied by dy du is giving me 1 over 2 the square root of 2x minus 1. So if to take care of 2, I'm still having 1 over what? The square root of 2x minus 1 as my answer. So then I say we should find when x is now 1. So if x is 1, I'm having 1 over the square root of 2 times 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 2. That is 1 over root 2. And 1 over root 2 is simply saying root 2 over 2 if you rationalize. So any of that is my answer. But using the shortcut, so I have that y is equal to the square root of 2s minus 1, which is y is equal to 2s minus 1 raised to power half. And I told you that now whenever you have the bracket like this, that it means chain rule. And the shortcut to chain rule simply said, differentiate the bracket, differentiate everything. Say it with me. Differentiate the bracket, differentiate everything. So therefore, my dy dx is simply, differentiate this bracket, I'm going to have what? 2. Differentiate everything means differentiate something that has power. So the answer is simply multiply by the power, remove 1 from the power. That is multiply by the power, then remove 1 from the power. That is half minus 1. So I'm left with 2 can take care of 2. I'm left with 2s minus 1 all raised to power. Half minus 1 is minus half. So according to indices, the minus can bring them down, which is what? 1 over 2s minus 1 all raised to power half. And according to indices, half means square root. So which is certain as what? 1 over the square root of 2s minus 1. The same answer we got. So now when x is now 1, so you now have that this is 1 over the square root of 2 into 1 minus 1, which is what? 1 over the square root of 2. And if you multiply by root 2 over 2 to rationalize, to give you, root 2 over root 2. So to give you root 2 over 2. Because 1 times root 2 is root 2, and then root 2 times root 2 is ordinary 2. So that is that. So 1 over root 2 can be the answer. Root 2 over 2 can equally be the answer. So depending on the one you see in the option. So if it's objective, use the shortcut. If it is theory, use the normal method. May the peace of the Lord be with you. Don't forget to like our video, share to your friends, and then you comment.